Hello friends, welcome back to Rama Rani Kids educational videos. Today in this video I am going to read few lines about Independence Day. But before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will not miss my coming videos. Independence Day. 15th August 1947 is the day in the golden history of India when India got its freedom from the 200 years of British rule. We celebrate 15th August every year as our Independence Day. It is celebrated as a national holiday throughout the country. We won freedom from British power after a hard and non-violent struggle. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and contribution of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. People hold meetings, fly the tricolor flag, and sing the national anthem. In the national capital Delhi, this day is celebrated with great pomp and show. All leaders and common people gather in large numbers into the parade ground in front of the Red Fort. The Prime Minister comes and hoists the flag and he makes a speech. Foreign dignitaries are also invited to this occasion. Tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives during the struggle. The Indian national anthem Jana Gana Man is sung. Independence Day is celebrated in schools and colleges by hoisting the national flag in the morning, followed by national anthem. Independence Day is celebrated with great joy across the country. Many cultural programs are organized at school and college level. Another interesting feature of the celebration is the kite flying event that is held all over the country with great zeal. The sky on this day is filled with kites of various colors, shapes, and sizes. Patriotic songs can be heard everywhere. Independence Day reminds us that we must respect our nation, freedom fighters, and should always work towards the betterment of our country. Independence Day is an important day in the life of every Indian. Jai Hind. Thanks a billion for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.